Incredible XRP drama unfolds, $200 million transfer, SEC battle, and Ripple's legal gambit. Get ready for a deep dive into the latest developments in the world of XRP. In this video, we'll uncover a jaw-dropping $200 million XRP transfer, explore XRP's recent price movements, and dissect the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC. Stay tuned for the full story with expert analysis. High-volume XRP transfer exceeding $200 million. What's the latest situation in XRP? Whale alert, which shares updates about large-scale transactions carried out by addresses holding significant amounts of crypto assets and referred to as whales in the crypto ecosystem, shared data regarding a $200 million XRP transfer that took place yesterday. What's the latest situation in XRP? The cryptocurrency market started the first day of the week with an increase as the leading cryptocurrency Bitcoin surpassed the $26,000 level in the morning hours. The total market value of the crypto ecosystem rose to $1.05 trillion, according to CoinMarketCap (CMC) data. XRP, which dropped below the 50 cents level last week and fell to around 48 cents, started to rise again like most altcoins in the crypto market. XRP started trading at levels above 50 cents, recording an average increase of around 0.1% in the past 24 hours. Furthermore, XRP showed a relatively lower price performance compared to many other high market cap cryptocurrencies last week. Despite starting the first day of the week with an increase, XRP recorded an average loss of 1.8% in the past week, becoming the second cryptocurrency with the most significant loss percentage among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, following Solana, SOL. XRP transfer exceeding $200 million in a single transaction. Whale alert, which shares updates about large-scale crypto transfers carried out by addresses holding significant amounts of crypto assets and referred to as whales in the crypto ecosystem, shared current data regarding a high-volume XRP transfer that took place yesterday. Despite showing a relatively lower price performance compared to many high market cap cryptocurrencies in the past week, XRP saw significant outflows on crypto exchanges. According to the data shared by Whale Alert, a total of 425,322,309 XRP with a current value of approximately $213 million were transferred from a crypto exchange named Bitvavo to an unknown address yesterday. In addition to this XRP transfer, more than 41 million XRP were transferred from the crypto exchange Binance to an unknown address during the day. Ripple challenges SEC's appeal bid, asserting insufficient grounds in ongoing lawsuit. This decision had ruled that the XRP token did not meet the criteria to be classified as a security in relation to sales directed at retail investors. Ripple's legal representatives, amidst the ongoing legal battle with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, have put forth a contention suggesting that the regulatory body lacks the necessary grounds to pursue an appeal. The legal team for Ripple filed a document on September 1 with the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York, asserting that the SEC's motivation for seeking an appeal predominantly stems from dissatisfaction with a judge's prior decision. This decision had ruled that the XRP token did not meet the criteria to be classified as a security in relation to sales directed at retail investors. Ripple's lawyers emphasized that the requisites for an interlocutory appeal, which demands exceptional circumstances, are conspicuously absent in this particular case. The legal representatives urged the presiding judge to dismiss any request for an appeal or a stay based on these grounds. In unity with the individual defendants, who are also part of the lawsuit, Ripple vociferously opposed the SEC's appeal request. This development follows a sequence of events where the SEC attempted to contest and postpone a July ruling by Judge Annalisa Torres. The July decision concluded that XRP did not primarily qualify as a security as outlined by the SEC's guidelines. The regulatory agency had then asserted that substantial differences of opinion on the relevant laws justified their pursuit of an appeal. The lawsuit, initially initiated by the SEC against Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larsen in December 2020, led to a wave of delistings of the XRP token from various exchanges. However, Judge Torres' subsequent ruling prompted some of these exchanges to consider relisting the token in light of the evolving legal situation. Brad Garlinghouse expressed disappointment with the need for legal action to rectify what he perceives as the SEC's flawed understanding of facts and regulations within the U.S. cryptocurrency community. Throughout 2023, the SEC has been actively pursuing various cryptocurrency entities for alleged securities violations, including prominent platforms like Binance and Coinbase. In a recent victory for the cryptocurrency industry, asset management firm Grayscale achieved success in court against the SEC. An appeal prompted the court to mandate a review of Grayscale's application for a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF. As the legal proceedings between the SEC and Ripple continue, Judge Torres has proposed a jury trial slated to commence in the second quarter of 2024.